Another area manufacturer committed to progress is Ingersoll. In order to keep up with the changing face of manufacturing, Ingersoll is focused on developing future technologies. It's this combination of people and technology that places Ingersoll among the top special machine tool builders in the Rockford area and the world.
Building special machines that help our customers make products is what Ingersoll is all about. We've been doing it since 1891. Throughout our century-long history, we have introduced several new technologies and industry standards that advance manufacturing capabilities of our customers in all parts of the world. We make the machines that are the building blocks for many of the things that touch your life every day, such as automobiles, airplanes, electric power, construction, and agricultural machinery. Today, there are over 2,000 men and women at Ingersoll working together in an exciting, fast-paced environment to sell, design, and manufacture a wide variety of machines. There are many opportunities for job satisfaction and growth, and we are always looking for good people that want to learn and be part of a winning team.
One of the largest industries, Ingersoll manufactures machines for the automotive industry.
My department builds production machinery for automotive manufacturers, mostly engine block milling machine lines. Everybody at Ingersoll has an opportunity for in-house training, meeting schedules, keeping up quality. They're the things that keep us busy every day. I like my job because it's always interesting. We don't do the same thing over and over. We get a chance to work with a lot of different technology, and a lot of the newest ideas in machine tool come through Ingersoll.
A master electrician is a checkout technician. We're responsible for after the machinery is assembled, we start them up, debug the logic, get the machines into an auto cycle stage and ready for production. Ingersoll is a good place to work. They do take care of the people. Advancement opportunities are there. It's a very interesting job. Every day brings on new adventures. Each project brings on new controls, new opportunities.
Before any machine goes to the floor, it must first be designed by the engineering department at Ingersoll.
It's very challenging. This gives me a great sense of fulfillment. You look at the overall picture and the things that you do for the world and the company, and it's just very rewarding. Ingersoll is a good place to work. It provides great opportunities. You learn a lot here, and it's very rewarding to see the things that you do that helps the community.
Another major division at Ingersoll is the Heavy Machine Group, which designs and builds large manufacturing systems for the aerospace industry.
I'm a supervisor in the heavy shop, which is large milling machines and large boring machines. I enrolled myself into the Rock Valley College Automated Manufacturing Technology program. Worked at night and went to school during the day. I received my degree through Rock Valley. Ingersoll is paid for all of my schooling. This job is constantly evolving. The industry is changing so quickly. There's never a dull moment as to when you are going to have your next challenge. Ingersoll is a good place to work. The room for advancement is here. It's really up to the individual to grab it and go for it.
I chose Ingersoll because manufacturing gives us the opportunity to really use today's technology with today's computers. With the knowledge that we have, we can go anywhere in the world. Ingersoll is a good place to work. We build things in a team. Everything is team-oriented. We all work together to pull it together. What one person doesn't work at or think of, the other ones will. We all have an idea, an opinion, just to make the work go smoother, go faster, get the work out on time. It's challenging, but yes, when I can do it and I can feel good about what I do, and I know I've done it right, it's a good feeling.
To keep up with the changing face of manufacturing, Ingersoll is focused on developing future technologies.
I'm a senior staff engineer at Ingersoll. Our department handles things that are advanced research topics. We spend quite a bit of time helping the different divisions work through problems on the floor. We also spend time doing upfront design analysis. Oh, I chose manufacturing primarily because I like to make things. I like to have my hands dirty and I like to see things actually get built. Manufacturing is much more high-tech than many people give it credit for. We spend a lot of time doing the same types of computations and analysis that aerospace people will use for building airplanes, automotive people will do for building cars. Ingersoll is a very good place to work. There's a lot of good culture that are here, great people, and always a different type of activity. At Ingersoll, we spend quite a bit of time coming up with innovative solutions that are unique to the different customers' demands. On our floor, you'll find every day a different system out there. High-speed spindles, linear motors, different types of technology that basically lead the industry in creativity.
It's the combination of people and technology which places Ingersoll among the top special machine tool builders in the Rockford area and the world.